Why are there not more people talking about Ukraine's game-changing drone attack? You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding modern air combat. The Spider's Web operation, a brilliant Ukrainian drone attack on Russia's Belaya airfield, strategically targeted 4 Tu-22 M3 backfire bombers 4,000 kilometers from Ukraine. These bombers, pivotal for launching Kh-22 supersonic missiles, are now irreplaceable due to halted production. With 41 heavy bombers reportedly hit across multiple airfields, Russia's strategic aviation capabilities face a significant blow. The attack showcased the vulnerability of Russian bombers, even deep within their territory. Experts suggest increased dispersal, better airfield defenses, and more decoys as potential countermeasures. Ukraine's SBU claimed this victory, with President Zelensky calling it absolutely brilliant. Russia's response? Revenge promises from officials like Dmitry Medvedev. In the end, this operation is a stark reminder. In modern warfare, drones are game changers.